Hi! In this video, I will show you how to make a snowflake using the Russian chain stitch and the sword stitch. I'm using all the 6 strands of a variegated blue thread. I realized that using 3 strands could probably be much better to look at. To make the Russian chain stitch, begin with a chain stitch. And then make 2 more chain stitches emerging from inside the first one to both the sides. That is one set of the Russian chain stitch. Now you can stack 2 more such stitches over the first one. Now use 3 strands of the metallic thread to make the sword stitch arms between the longer ones. The tutorials to all these stitches have been provided in my website. I have put the links to the pages to these stitches in the description so that you can refer them anytime you want. The center needs some filling, and so I stitch on a big shiny bead. And that's it. My snowflake is ready.